For your safety and that of your coworkers,
your families, and especially your children, you must always notify 811 before you dig.
It's so simple. Even a child can do it.
Hello, 811? I'm gonna dig a big hole.
Why do I need to call 811? I already know where the lines are buried around here.
Because landscaping and erosion can change the location and depth of underground lines.
Step 1. Plan your job and pre-mark your dig area.
Use white paint, flags, or stakes to outline exactly where you plan to dig.
Step 2. Notify 811.
Step 3. Wait. Step 4. Respect the marks.
Step 5. Now it's time to dig. But you've got to do it very, very carefully, especially around gas and electric lines.
And those are the 5 steps to safe excavation. I think we can all agree that when it comes to 811, there's no kidding around.